Your mom is fine now. Her blood pressure put up. You need to take care of her.
Your mom is fine now. ستا مور وسټیک ده. Her blood pressure put up. د هغې د وینې فشار جګ شوی دی. blood pressure ولکې د وینې فشار ده. You need to take care of her. ته باید د هغې خیال وساتې. Take care ولکېږي خیال ساتل.
I see now. Can I take my mom home?
I see now. زه اوس پوه شومه. Can I take my mom home? آیا کولی شم چې خپله مور کور ته بوځمه؟
Yeah, sure. However, she is still stressed.
Yeah, sure. هو بالکل. However, البته she is still stressed. هغه تر اوسه پورې په فشار کې ده.
Here is the prescription. She will be fine soon. She has to take some medicines.
Here is the prescription. دغه د نسخه واخله. prescription کې نسخې ته. She will be fine soon. هغه به ډیر ژر ښه شي. She has to take some medicines. هغه باید یو څه دوایي واخلي.
Okay, I got it. Thank you so much.
Okay, I got it. ټیک ده زه پوه شومه. Thank you so much. ډیره زیاته مننه.
Your total is $40. How will you make the payment? Cash or card?
Your total is $40. تا مکمل چې د هغه $40 شو. How will you make the payment? ته به څنګه موږ ته دغه پیمنټ راکوي؟ کیش او کارت په کیش راکوي او که په کارت باندې؟
I will buy these medicines later.
I will buy these medicines later. زه به دغه دوایلې وروسته واخلم. later ولکېږي وروسته.
I don't have enough money right now.
I don't have enough money right now. له ما سره اوس فی الحال دومره روپۍ نشته.
I will pay for these medicines.
I will pay for these medicines. د دې دوایي لپاره به زه روپۍ ورکم.
You. What are you doing here?
You. ته. What are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟
I came here with my dad. My dad is sick. What are you doing here?
I came. زه راغلی وم here دلته with my dad. زما د پلار سره. My dad is sick. زما پلار مریض دی. sick ویل کېږي مریض ته. What are you doing here? ته دلته څه کوې؟
My mom was sick. She is fine now.
My mom was sick. زما مور مریضه وه. She is fine now. هغه اوس ټیک ده.
Let me buy these medicines for your mom.
Let me buy these medicines for your mom. ما ته اجازه راکړئ چې ستاسو لپاره دغه دوایي واخلم.
No thanks. I cannot accept that. That would be too much.
No thanks. نه مننه. I cannot accept that. زه دا نشم قبلولی. accept ولکې قبلولو ته. That would be too much. دا به ډیر زیات شي.
You can pay me back later. Please let me pay the bill.
You can pay me back later. ته کولی شې چې ما دا وروسته بیا راکړې بېرته دا روپۍ ښیي. Please let me pay the bill. مهرباني وکړئ اجازه راکړئ چې ستاسو دغه بیل ادا کړم.
Okay. Thanks a lot. I am Ashley. Nice to meet you.
Okay, thanks a lot. ټیک ده ډیره زیاته مننه. I'm Ashley. زه اشلی یم. اشلی د جینۍ نوم ده. Nice to meet you. خوشحاله شوم چې له تاسو سره مې ملاقات وکړ.
I am Sean. Nice to meet you too.
I am Sean. زه شان یم. Nice to meet you too. زه هم خوشحاله شوم چې له تاسو سره مې ملاقات وکړ.
Here are your medicines.
Here are your medicines. دا واخله ستا دوایي.
Thanks. God bless you. I have to go now. Take care.
Thanks. مننه. God bless you. الله تا نیکمرغه کړي. I have to go now. زه باید اوس لاړه شم. Take care. خیال دې ساته.
You have to eat your meal on time, Dad. I have bought all groceries.
You have to eat. ته باید وخوري your meal. ستا خوراک on time په وخت باندې. I have bought all groceries. ما ټول د خوراک شیان اخیستي دي. groceries ویل کېږي د خوراک شیانو ته.
God bless you, my son. You have to concentrate on your study.
God bless you, my son. الله دې په تا الله تا نیکمرغه کړي زما زویه. You have to concentrate. ته باید توجه وکړي. concentrate ویل کېږي توجه کول. on your studies ستا په مطالعه باندې.
I will drive my taxi tomorrow.
I will drive my taxi tomorrow. زه به خپله ټکسي سبا ته وچلوم.
No, Dad. You will not drive your taxi again. You need to rest.
No, Dad, نه پلاره. You will not drive your taxi again. ته به خپله ټکسي دوباره نه چلوي. You need to rest. ته باید آرام وکړي. rest ویل کېږي آرام کول ته.
I am perfectly fine now.
I am perfectly fine now. زه په مکمل ډول سره اوس ټیک یم.
No, Dad. You have to rest from now on. I will find a part-time job.
No, Dad, نه پلاره. You have to rest. ته باید آرام وکړي. From now on له اوس څخه. I will find a part-time job. زه به پیدا کړم part-time job.
How is your dad now?
How is your dad now? ستا پلار اوس څنګه ده؟
He is fine now. I am looking for a part-time.
He is fine now. هغه اوس ټیک دی. I'm looking. زه ګورم for a part-time job. د part-time job ګورم. part-time job لیکي ملګرو اضافه کار ته. یعنی چې خپل وظیفې څخه بل کار مه کوو ته part-time job وایي.
Job.
My boss needs a personal driver for her.
My boss زما boss یعنی لیډر مشر needs a personal driver یو شخصي ډرایور ته ضرورت لري for her daughter د خپل لور لپاره.
Daughter. He is in the office right now. You can talk to him. It is a golden opportunity.
He is in the office right now. هغه فی الحال اوس په دفتر کې ده. You can talk to him. ته کولی شي چې له هغه سره خبرې وکړې. It is a golden opportunity. دا یو د سرو زرو موقع ده. opportunity ویل کېږي موقع ته او golden ویل کېږي د سرو زرو موقع یعنی.
Opportunity.
Really? That would be great. I will talk to your boss.
Really په حقیقت سره that would be great. دا به ډېره زیاته ښه شي. I will talk to your boss right away. زه به همدا اوس ستا له boss سره خبرې وکړم.
Right away.
Robert told me about you. You have your own.
Robert told me about you. Robert ماته ستا باره کې وویلې. You have your own taxi. ته خپله ټکسي لرې.
Taxi.
Yes, I drive my taxi. I am a good.
Yes, ho, I drive my taxi. زه خپله ټکسي چلوم. I am a good driver. زه یو ښه ډرایور یم.
Driver.
I want to hire you. You don't need to drive your.
I want to hire you. زه غواړم چې تا ونیسم په کار باندې. You don't need to drive your taxi. تا ته ضرورت نشته چې ته خپله ټکسي وچلوې.
Your taxi. You will drive my daughter's car. You will be her person.
You will drive my daughter's car. ته به زما د لور موټر چلوې. You will be her personal driver. ته به د هغې شخصي ډرایور یې.
No driver.
Sure. I can do.
Sure, یقینا I can do this, sir. زه دا کولی شم.
Do this, sir.
You will get a good salary. Don't worry.
You will get a good salary. ته به یوه ښه تنخوا ترلاسه کړې. Don't worry about the money. د روپو باره کې پریشانه کېږه مه.
About the money.
Thank you, sir. When should I join?
Thank you, sir. مننه سره یعنې ښاغلیه مننه. سر ویل کېږي ښاغلي ته. When should I join? کله زه join کم یعنی ګډون کله وکم. When should I come? کله زه باید راشم.
Should I come?
You can start your work right now. I will send you.
You can start your work right now. ته کولی شي چې خپل کار همدا اوس شروع کړې. I will send you the location. زه به تا ته لوکیشن در ولېږم.
The location. My daughter wants to.
My daughter wants to go shopping. زما لور غواړي چې شاپینګ ته لاړه شي.
Go shopping.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. مننه ښاغلیه. Thanks once again. یو ځل بیا مننه.
Once again. I
think زما په فکر I have come here before. زه دلته مخکې راغلی یم.
Come here before. I have to meet
my madam now. زه باید له خپل میډم سره ملاقات وکړم.
My madam now.
What? You hired a...
What, sir? You hired a driver for me? تا زما لپاره یو ډرایور نیولی دی.
Driver for me.
Yes, my sweetie. He must be on his way.
Yes, my sweetie, هو زما خوږې. He must be on his way. هغه به په لاره کې وي. He is your driver. هغه ستا ډرایور دی.
He is your driver.
Come in.
Come in. دننه شي راځه. The door is open. دروازه خلاصه ده.
The door is open.
If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are